every single new working code inside of BlueLock. The new update is here. REO REO is here. REO rework shouting man fire emoji. Only future billionaires can like this video. Let's get straight to the codes. Lucky spins. So, first code is Oreo exclamation point and LE. Oreo. 7 lucky spins. 7 lucky spinneronis. Don't miss out on any future codes if you're watching this from 2026. Comment down below 2026. NELREO. This is the first code. The next code, master trades. Master trade. Master of all trades. Master of all the trades. That is the next code. Sub up for future codes in BlueLock. BlueLock. Is there one more? Is there one more? King over all exclamation point. King overall. You could try to redeem this code. Maybe it's gonna work, maybe it's not gonna work. Mythic. What is this? Some mythical emotes. Oreo. I have to level up. How am I still level 5? How am I still level 5?